Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today you will learn first sound in the starting, middle and ending. So let's start. F is in the starting. F is in the starting. Foot, 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 foot. F is in the middle. F is in the middle. Sofa, 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 sofa. You also say with me. Sofa. F is in the ending. F is in the ending. Leaf, 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 leaf. Now you say with me, leaf. Hope you have learned the first sound in the starting, middle and ending. Let's repeat. F is in the starting. Foot, foot. F is in the middle. Sofa, sofa. F is in the ending. Leaf, leaf, leaf. Allah Hafiz.